A peaceful moment suddenly disrupted by your baby's relentless hiccups. Fear not, we've got the answers. First, understand it's completely normal. Babies hiccup due to a full stomach or even because they've been laughing too much. However, if you're keen on stopping them, try some of these tried and tested methods. Burp your baby during feeding. Slow down feeding. Only feed when your baby is calm. Hold your baby upright after feeding. Make sure the nipple in your bottle is completely full of milk when you feed. Get the right nipple size for your baby. Another option is to distract them. A new toy or a funny face might just do the trick. Remember, these hiccups are harmless. So sit back, relax, and enjoy every hiccup-filled moment with your little one. Until next time, keep the peace and love flowing.